The Leaving Cert Higher Level 2019 question 4 was an integration and cubic function question, with the cubic function having some integration involved too. So find the integral of 4x cubed minus 6x plus 10. Now this question was worth 5 marks and you lost 2 out of 5, 40% if you didn't write plus c. So don't leave out the c. We know integration, we raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power. Minus 6x squared over 2 plus 10x plus that extra 2 marks for the c, x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared plus 10x plus c. So part B of this question is a cubic function. You're told it's not drawn to scale, and you're told that the graph cuts the x-axis at 3 points, A, 2, 0, which we're going to need to use in a minute, B and C, which we're asked to solve for in part 2. And you're told that given that f prime x, so the differentiated cubic, is equal to this guy, show that f of x is equal to this guy. So we're looking for the integral of 6x squared minus 54x plus 109, and that plus c will come in handy here because we're going to need to calculate c, which is going to be this number here, 126. You can see the 109x comes from the 109 here, and so on. So let's get the integral of this. It's going to be 6x cubed over 3, which is the 2x cubed, minus 54x squared over 2, which is the minus 27x squared, plus 109x, which we've already identified, plus c. So let's just simplify this down to give us 2x cubed minus 27x squared plus 109x plus c. Now we can see here this is f of x. What other information are we told? This value here, when x is equal to 2, y or f of x is equal to 0. So let's put in f of 2 and we know the answer is 0. So that's 2 by 2 cubed minus 27 by 2 squared plus 109 by 2, and we've run out of room, plus c is equal to 0. 2 cubed is 8, by 2 is 16, 27 by 4 is 108, 109 by 2 is 218, plus c is equal to 0. So 218 minus 108 is 110, plus 16 is 126, 126 plus c is 0, so c has to be minus 126, which is what they told us it was. So I would write, therefore, f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 27x squared plus 109x minus 126. Now, part C, what would you say? A good lesson in not having your phone turned on when you're working. So we're asked to find B and C. Let's have a look here. B and C are on the x-axis. So this is a box method long division question. I think is the best way to do this. This is my favorite way to do any of these questions. So box method long division, we put our first term in here and our last term in here, and that's the last term of the cubic and the first term of the cubic. These two boxes are going to be my x squareds. If you haven't seen this already, you need to practice some box method questions, and these two boxes are going to be my x. What am I dividing in? Well, x is equal to 2, which is a root. Don't mess up your roots or mix up your roots and your factors. A root. So x minus 2 equals 0 is the factor. So we divide in x minus 2. So let's see what happens if we divide x minus 2, and we're going to get 2x squared, so that's 2x cubed divided by x, or x multiplied by something is 2x cubed. We come down here and we go this way, 2x squared by minus 2 is minus 4x squared. Then we jump up to see how many we want. We want minus 27 of them. We already have minus 4, so that's leaving minus 23x squared in that box. And you can see now those two boxes give me my x squared. So continue your division in. X into 23x squared is minus 23x. Coming down, we're multiplying minus 23x by minus 2 to get plus 46x. How many do we want in these two boxes? 109, so we're a bit away. We're 63 away. 63x, that's going to give me 109. So x into 63x is plus 63. And you can always check your answer with using the box method. Plus 63 by minus 2 is minus 126. So now all we need to do is factorize the quadratic that we get when we divide a linear into a cubic. 2x squared minus 23x plus 63 equals 0. Has to be 2x times x. Now look, 7 9s are 63. That looks like it will work for us. And we can see here minus, plus, they're both minus. And 7 by 9, 7 2s are 14, 9 1s are 9. They normally factorize quite quickly with the most obvious factors. So x is equal to 9 over 2, or 7. But they're looking for the points b and c. Which one is first? B comes before c. So make sure you finish it off correctly. So b is going to be the lower number, 4.5. That's supposed to be an arrow, 0, and c is 7 0.